Personal finance tips from a dollar store calendar. Fast food is fast, not cheap. It's cheaper to make food at home with wholesome ingredients, not prepackaged dinners. Yes and no. Um, that depends on a number of factors. Depends where you live. Quite often, buying the more expensive, healthier food items it can actually be. It can be more expensive to buy healthy food items than to get cheap fast food. At least that used to be the case. Fast food like McDonald's and that kind of thing has gotten pretty expensive over the past little while. But it can actually be a little expensive to get wholesome ingredients, not to mention the time it takes to prepare that food. If you're an entrepreneur or a business owner, you often measure your time based on how much could I be earning if I spent this hour of time preparing a meal or working. And oftentimes that equates to it's going to be less expensive for me to just buy the meal. Also, thing to consider is your ability or skill in the kitchen. Are you good at preparing meals? Is that what you want to do with your time? And are you going to make a meal that you end up liking? If you prepare a meal that you're not going to enjoy, or if you don't enjoy the process, you're going to look at that time as a problem. And you don't want to have that kind of an attitude going towards something where you're trying to save money, because you're just going to resent every minute of doing it. So the answer to this one is it depends. If you like cooking, this can be a good thing. You just have to make sure you get the right kind of foods, and of course, variety in a meal or in a diet is key to any kind of success in sticking to a meal plan. So this one can work. You just have to be careful and look for deals.